Go.
Hi, Warriors. The trade that I've been talking about for a few weeks with this divergence building up in Nat Gas, um, told people to buy calls. Maybe even it was here last week. I even got a text in the trading room yesterday uh, or the day before. Is natural gas a buy, Dale? Do you think it's bottom? And you never know for sure, but I said close enough for government work. That's why you go out and you buy calls, or you buy something like UNG if you want some leverage. But nat gas is turning, so that's just an instrument of it. Here's nat gas, and I'm pretty bullish. I think it has some room to run. Here's nat gas putting in an outside candle, pretty strong, breaking through this moving average. So I like it. Okay, so I mean, there are targets um, like this, but they're really big targets later. I actually think that we're going to take out this $4 high. I think this could be a significant bottom in that gas, but 320 looks pretty doable. I think we're going to take out these highs. In fact, let me give you the big picture, and then we'll go to currencies. So when I talk about something new, I want to spend some time with it on it with you guys. So you see that at least the technical rationale, the fundamental rationale is, all these big data centers they're building, where are they going to get the power to run these things? Nuclear takes time. And, uranium's already had one heck of a run. So here's your channel. So I thought there was a slight chance, and maybe it happens. I was looking for the bottom line to get filled out, but I have to go with this divergence here. Also, it's a cycle that was due in late August, early September. So there's your look on the daily. We'd have a breakout over 350. And just to get an idea of the potential of the trade, I don't know what the catalyst is going to be. Maybe it's going to be a cold winter, maybe some other supply of nat gas ends up being compromised. So you have a lot of stuff at four, but doesn't this look like this was the first wave up? We caught it last year. I marked it. I think it was on Maggie's show for this low. That was a good run. Okay, so this was a theory that we were bottoming. So we've already had a bottom. We've gone through a pretty long corrective process, right? I mean, we started correcting. Where's the high here? It's in March of 25. So, we've been correcting for months, about 4 months now. And, took out a support level, the big round number three. So people get excited at three. Anyway, this is a new spec. Thought I'd talk about it with you guys. Uh, you know, is it going to work? I don't know, but I certainly have a lot of evidence with divergences everywhere, even down to you know, well, not on the 1 hour, but on the four, we didn't come close to violating the 30. Okay, so let's get back to some of the other legacy markets that I cover. And what I did today is I bought Aussie because I thought this correction was giving up the lease. But the dollar strength keeps surprising me. It was hard for me to believe that Friday was a buy. Um, what we have is like an inside week right now. So I don't know. Maybe we're going to head higher again. I have a hard time wanting to chase the dollar up here. So anyway, I sold some more yen. The yen's acting okay. Um, I'm surprised we've recovered as much as we have. It's not like there's been a big jump in yields. I mean, we're up a little bit, But I guess the PCE is what we have Friday that's going to be the decider on yields and the yen. Um, Gold broke out over 33.80. Now it's saying, hey, you missed the breakout yesterday. I'll let you in today. You know what that makes me? Skeptical. Okay, so a breakout should have gone for more than 6, 8 hours. If that was a big trend line. I'm not saying it looks terrible, but um, I don't think it's a clean breakout, and it tempers my bullishness, just like I said, and I tweeted, just like platinum tempers my bullishness as well. I mean, is this impulsive? I mean, all we've been doing is moving sideways. Someone said that the spreads are collapsing, so platinum looks negative, and so does palladium. So the white stuff, besides silver, under pressure. Bonds under pressure. I guess it does matter if you fire or you try to interfere with the Fed and fire a Fed governor. Maybe that's what's behind it because, I don't think it's WTI. WTI is down pretty good from yesterday. We haven't opened there yet. And the S&Ps, when we wrap it there, still waiting for a new high, not that far away. The high was what? Call 490, still 20 handles away. The adults come back next week, and we'll be at full strength volume wise, and it'll be a better environment than what's been happening here over the last few days. See how you have to wait for price changes sometimes? It should just be fluid. And look at some of the prices in between trades. Yeah, very low volume. Okay, so we have a couple days left of this ghost town market that we're trading, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I did want to, this is happening in Nat Gas today, so I thought I'd put it out there for you guys. Keep an open mind. You'll keep your account open. Always use stops. Always know a predetermined risk on your trade. So if you buy a call, your risk is the premium. Okay. You're going to sell puts, you're on your own because I know writing options is a good strategy, but, it's like picking up quarters on the sidewalk and then one day you see the steamroller coming down the street. So, most of all, everyone, have a great day. Don't just count your pips, count your blessings. I'm posting in the room